Hey guys, how's it going? Mike Barton, your Colorado home connection with Resident Realty. I wanted to shoot a quick little video for you to update you about a cool new system that I have called ePropertyWatch. It's included for free for all my clients. And if you're not one of my clients and you're interested, just feel free to reach out to me. I'll put my email info in this video below, and you can just email me and I'll get you hooked up with this. But I just want to go over it and some of the cool features that I found with this ePropertyWatch. So when you do want to get signed up, just go ahead and let me know. I'll then set you up in the system and give you an email. You'll get an email just like this, talking a little bit about your home value, giving the estimate. And you click this Tell More button, or Tell Me More, and then click to confirm. Either one will get you to this site. And then once you get to this site, you can update all the information on your home. When you're first looking at the address right here, you'll see this every 3 months, or you'll see every 2 weeks or something like that, and that's that email notification. So depending on how often you want to get email notifications, you can go ahead and change that. That way you're not being bothered every 2 weeks from me. You get to see it when you want to see it. And this first thing will give you the estimated value based off of comps in the neighborhood. Of course, it always is not 100% accurate, so it's best that when you are looking to sell, go ahead and reach out to me or your real estate agent, and we'll make sure that we nail down the best price. And then it'll show you the percent increase of value since you've purchased the home. And then as long as you enter in your mortgage information, it'll show you your estimated equity and then the balance as well of your mortgages. So you can go ahead and enter those in down here, and by just clicking edit details, change everything. It won't let you change the payments, so don't worry about that. It's just going based off of what is left in your balance for your debt. As you scroll down, you'll see the recent sales. It'll give you a range and then a map of where all those recent sales were. And then if you want to look closer at some of those sales, you can just go ahead and click on them down below, and then it'll give you more information about those sales. This really kind of puts everything in your hands, so you can get to know what your home value is and what's going on in the neighborhood. Also, if you have multiple properties, like a lot of investment properties or just a few rentals, you can click properties up here in the top left and click add new property. Another cool feature is if you have some friends that think it's a really cool service, you can click this invite button and invite them to it as well. When you click the details tab, it'll just go into more detail about your actual property, and then it'll talk about the comparisons here as well. And neighborhood, this is actually a cool little feature that I liked. It'll show you the different types of new listings in the neighborhood, sold listings, recent contract, and refinance. And you can zoom out and look in other neighborhoods as well. And then this final tab is just home services, so it kind of gives you tips. It's almost like a little blog that gives you tips about your home or things that you can do with your home as well. So that's it for ePropertyWatch. If you guys do have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is 970-820-0545, or shoot me a message and I can definitely help you out. If you don't have ePropertyWatch set up for your home or any of your rentals, please also let me know and I'll be more than happy to set you up on that. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.